my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. And now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is a title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. Here is a project description. You are an assistant to the manager of Sugarhouse District Theatre, where touring Broadway shows are performed. You created a workbook for weekend evening performance to track the number of seats available and sold in each section of the theater, along with gross revenue. You are ready to complete the workbook. Now move to the question number one. Question number one is start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Note when you open the file, Excel prompts you to fix a circular error. Click or press OK to continue. In this question, basically you will have to download this file exp25 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theatre from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is the first column in the template worksheet contains cells with a different font color and levels of indentation. You want to fill this formatting across the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday worksheet. Group the template Friday, Saturday, and Sunday worksheet. Fill the formatting for the range A5 to A20. First, we select this range A5 to A20. Here is a workbook I have already downloaded from my IT Lab dashboard. First, we select this range A5 to A20. In this box, we have type range. Select this range. Click on this drop down. Then click on formats. Then press OK. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, you notice that the formula is missing on worksheets. You will insert the formula simultaneously with the worksheets still grouped in cell E20. Center a formula to subtract the grand total percentage sold from 1. Apply bold to the cell. In cell E20, we have write a formula to subtract the grand total percentage. This one, the cell E20 cell, we have write a formula to subtract the grand total percentage sold from 1, and then apply bold to the cell. Then equals to 1 minus this one, and then press enter. As you can see that the percentage not sold are calculated now. Then we bold this text. Then go to the home tab, then click on this bold. Question number 3 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is, the range I4 to J7 display the average number of seats sold in each section. However, two results display divided by 0 exception because the template does not contain sample values in some reactions. You will edit the formula to avoid the error. With the worksheets still grouped, edit cell J5 by enclosing the average if function within an if error function. The value of if error argument should display the text missing data. Copy the function to the range J8 to J6 to J7. Fill without formatting to preserve the borders. Basically, in this question, you will have to select the range I4 to J7, then display the average number of seats sold in each section. Then move to the workbook. This will show the exception divided by 0 exception. We have write a function if error before the average if function. If error or exists, then display the text missing data. Missing data, paste. And hit enter. As you can see that if error r exists, then the missing data text are showing in this cell. Then copy the function to the range J6 to J7, J6 to J7. As you can see that the formula are working. If error or exists, then this will display the text missing data. Question number 4 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question, question number 5. Number 5 is hide the template worksheet. In this question you will have to hide this template worksheet. Right click on this, then hide this sheet. Then move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is the total. The worksheet contains the summary data. You will insert a hyperlink to the number of seeds sold in each prospective worksheet. On the totals worksheet, in cell A5, insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet with the screen tip next Friday seeds sold. First part is this. This cell, right click on this and click on link. Place inside in this documents. Then screen tip next Friday seeds sold. Type a cell reference C20 and screen tip Friday seeds sold. Then click OK. The next part is this. In cell A6, insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet with the screen tip text Saturday seeds sold. Move to the workbook. In this cell, right click on this, then you will go to the link, screen tip, then write the same text and select this range, and then paste this text. And the next part is in cell A7, insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Sunday worksheet with the screen tip text Sunday seeds sold. Test the hyperlinks to ensure they work correctly. Same for the Sunday, right click, then go to the link, then type the cell reference, then type the screen seed sold Sunday. Question number 6 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, now you are ready to insert a formula with a reference to the number of seats sold for the Friday performance. In cell B5, insert a formula with a 3D reference to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet. In this cell, you will have to write a formula. This one. We will have to pass the reference of this value in this field. Question number 7 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, now you are ready to insert a formula with a reference to the number of seats sold for the Saturday performance. In cell B6, insert a formula with a 3D reference to cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet. Then move to the workbook and type equals to reference to the cell C20 in Saturday worksheet. Then you will go to the Saturday worksheet, then reference C20 cell, this one. Question number 8 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, now you are ready to insert a formula. Now you are ready to insert a formula with the reference to the number of seats sold for the Saturday performance. In cell B7, insert a formula with a 3D reference to cell C20 in the Sunday worksheet. In the Sunday worksheet, we will have to type equals to, then pass a reference of the cell C20, then press enter. Question number 9 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is, the next section of the totals worksheet is designed to display total gross revenue by section. In cell B11, insert the sum function with a 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra front gross revenue. Cell G9 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheets. In cell B11, you will have to insert a sum function with a 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra front gross revenue. Gross revenue, you will have to type a formula equals to sum Friday then Sunday range. As you can see that the gross revenue are calculated now. Now we will move to the question number 11. You are ready to insert the function to calculate the total orchestra back gross revenue in cell B12 to insert the sum function with a 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra back gross revenue cell G14 for the Friday, Saturday, Sunday worksheet. And same we will have to calculate the gross revenue for the total orchestra back gross revenue in this cell orchestra back, then type a formula equals to sum, then go to this sheet Friday, then type a range Sunday. This one, as you can see that orchestra back gross revenue are calculated now. Question number 11 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 12. Question number 12, where you are ready to insert a function to calculate the total gross revenue for the balcony in cell B13 to insert the function sum function with a 3D reference to calculate the total balcony gross revenue in cell G19 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheets. Same the above question, you will have to type a function equals to sum, then go to this sheet and then select the range. As you can see that the balcony gross revenue are calculated now. We have now completed 12 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation trainings, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.